Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time and whatever country you are. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to today's video. Actually, today's video, we are cooking minji. Yeah, it's called in Kiswahili minji. Oh yeah, minji in Kiswahili. This is it. I'm done with boiling it. I boiled it actually. So you cannot actually fry it without boiling first. This is beans, right? This is cowpeas. Yeah, this cowpeas called cowpeas in English. So I don't know in your English how you call it. But anyways, this is what we are frying today. What we're having for dinner with the rice. Yeah. So I have already prepared our cooking oil here with onions and waru. Waru is potatoes. This is Irish potatoes. Um, yeah, these are Irish potatoes. So I'm going to fry it with the minji. The minji is there, and our tomatoes is here. I've actually put the tomatoes and the carrots. As you can see, the carrot is here. Yeah, and our salt is here. Our Royco cube is here. Yeah, so kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Just subscribe. I beg, subscribe and kindly share the video, like, comment. Yeah, tell a friend also to subscribe to my YouTube channel if they haven't. I really appreciate your support, guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. You've got me for a long way. From 0 subscribers to 600 subscribers is something beautiful. So I appreciate your support, guys. So we are starting to cook. Our onions is cooking. Actually, with this minji here, you can actually cook it with the meat also as it's stew. You can also cook it with the mokimo, the traditional food. You can cook in multiple ways, and you can have it with rice, rice and any other food. Maybe I've never tested it with ugali. Maybe I'll try it one day. Most especially I eat it with rice. Yeah. So, and when it is mashed with the mokimo, very nice and tasty. Try it out one day. And instead of using the pumpkin leaves to make mokimo, try this out. This works very good. Yeah. So kindly subscribe to the channel. Kindly. I give you 5 seconds to subscribe to the channel. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Our onions is brown. You can see I don't want it to overcook actually. Yeah, it's even so. And then I put the waru. When I put the tomatoes, I put the Irish potatoes so that it can cook with that tomato, skin with that tomato before I put the cowpeas. You can actually also fry the potatoes, the Irish potatoes with only the onions first, then you put the tomatoes. But for me, I prefer it this way. There are so many ways of cooking, so I prefer it this way because the waru will cook, the potatoes will cook fast. Yeah. So as usual, I normally cover my tomatoes to cook fast. Yeah. Then I reduce the heat so that it can just cook in 3 minutes. So it can just cook in 3 minutes. Yeah. So let's wait and see how it's going to be. Let's check our beans, our waru, our potatoes. So that is, you see how how the tomatoes are cooked. Yeah, that's how I like my waru to be cooked, my potatoes. You see? So now, this is our cowpeas. Let's put it in. Now, just mix it up. Yeah. Remember, we had put here the Royco cube. So be careful when you're putting salt here, because Royco cube also has salt. So you just put little salt like that. Little. Just like that. We are going to put some soup so that it can actually cook and bring that aroma taste, that nice taste. With the rice. Hey, I'm telling you guys, you will enjoy it. I love this with rice. I can eat and eat. Aish. So that is the soup. Yeah, we leave it to cook. Then I will show you the results. Yeah, and yeah, kindly subscribe to the channel. If you learned something from this video, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. So our stew is actually here, boiling already. You see, it's boiling. Yeah. So I'll show you the results when the nice soup is. Let's check our stew. Yeah, our stew is ready. So you can see the potatoes are cooked. You can see the potatoes are cooked now. Our stew is ready. Can you see the soup? So you can see that. I don't know whether it's in. So you can see that with the soup, the thick soup, you can see. Yeah. So our stew is ready. Our cowpeas is ready. So kindly give the video a thumbs up if you learned something from this video, and if this is your first time to come across my YouTube channel. Support your girl by just subscribing and liking the video and sharing the video. I really appreciate. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Let's off the gas. See you on the next video. See you.